if statement. An if statement is just a simple yes or no question. So let's say in this situation we have column A where we have an assortment of positive and negative numbers. Let's say we want to put an equation in column B that says whether or not the number in column A is positive or negative. So the way we're going to start this one off is I'm going to do equal, I'm going to type in IF, and that'll pull up the if formula. I'm going to hit tab, and then there's going to be 3 arguments in this equation. The first one is the logic test. What is your question? How are we going to answer it? So for this one, if we want to see if it's positive or negative, I want to know if the number in cell A1 is greater than 0. That is our logic question. So I'm going to tab over A1. I'm going to put greater than 0, comma. So in this situation, we want to know, is the cell A1 greater than 0, meaning is it a positive number? Or is A1 less than 0, meaning is it a negative number? So the next argument is what if the value is true? So let's say if A1 is greater than 0, what do you want the equation to return? And let's say in this situation, we want to make a list that says positive or negative. So if A1 is greater than 0, meaning it's a positive number, we want it to return the phrase positive. And whenever you want an equation to return a phrase, you gotta make sure you put the phrase in quotation marks. So that would look like quotation mark, positive, quotation mark, comma. So now if A1 is greater than 0, it will return the phrase back positive. The next argument is, what if we get a false result, meaning A1 is not greater than 0. A1 is in fact less than 0, meaning it's a negative number. So in this situation, we want to put quotation mark, negative. So now if A1 is not greater than 0, it'll be a negative response. So I'm going to put closing parenthesis, and for this one, we should get a positive, since number 1 is positive. And then we can just take this equation and drag it down. So 1 and 2 are positive, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 are negative, and then this 5 is a positive. And that is a simple if function.